doesn't mean that 38% of workers in every workplace are socially disconnected. A lot depends on the nature of work, whether it requires working in teams, working in isolation, as well as the workplace culture, whether there's, systemic bullying, harassment, or unhealthy competitiveness. It also involves things like shift work that can often make it difficult to connect with friends and family, a physical location, rural industrial parks that have few opportunities for social engagement for breaks or lunch. All of these are factors that bear consideration. The other thing we also have to think about is the ease with which individuals invest in online activities rather than real in-person connections. This can be a factor. When we sit at lunch and look through our phone on social media, comparing ourselves to other people rather than taking the time to sit and connect with colleagues and coworkers, and rather than creating those supportive interdependent relationships. So I think there are many, many factors, both individual and workplace, that we need to look at when we're considering those numbers. Really, the answer lies in communication, inclusion, and opportunity. Creating a physical and emotional spaces for collaboration, our physical atmosphere can start by setting the scene. Team building opportunities for cross training and education, communication strategies that requires leaders to encourage feedback, actively listen, and provide methods for feedback for all communication styles becomes important. We recognize it's easy to hear from the people who put their hands up and are able to speak out, but we need to create a communication strategy that allows for those who are more quiet and reserved to also contribute and feel safe to give that feedback. So things like mentorship, networking, and collaboration can all create increased inclusivity and allow people to bring their best selves to work. One of the things we want to make sure is that recognizing the best time to create a strategy for this is from day one. So what we always want managers to do is to create that ongoing relationship with their employees. And we often call this the check-in. And the check-in is a regular meeting you have with your staff one-on-one to find out how they think they're doing. What are the resources that they might need to do the tasks of their job better, or if they're struggling in other regions as well. So the relationship can be complicated, but by providing that consistent level of feedback and ongoing communication, once we start to see changes, once we may see challenges or diminished productivity, we've got that relationship to have that ongoing conversation, right? And so we want to normalize that connection, normalize the need to be self-reflective and reflective within groups, so that when we see that there's a problem, we already have that established relationship in which to check in and provide those supports. So resources and supports for mental health and well-being, even including things like financial education, nutritional education, and activity education, can all be part of an employee and family assistance provider strategy. So these can be providing curated resources for individuals to better understand their finances, better understand parenting relationships. So it provides a level of destigmatization on the things that people are really looking for. So ongoing awareness campaigns, ensuring people are aware of what's available to them and how to access their benefits packages or EFAPs can all be a vital part of it.